In this video, I'll show you how to fold down the rear seat of your Corolla 2009 to 2013, so you have more space. First thing, bring the front seats a bit more forward, so you get more space over here, okay, because the seats will come down over them. Now, unfortunately, there's no way to do this from the inside. You need to open the trunk of the car, and you're going to notice that on each side you have these levers. You even have an icon of the rear seats. And all you have to do is to pull on them, give a good pull on both, like this, and then you're gonna go inside of the car and you're gonna fold it manually, like this. Make sure you remove the seatbelt so it's not in the way, and this is it. And for the other one, I don't know if you see, but it does not go down, and this may happen to you. The solution to this problem is to pull the lever and keep it pulled like this with one hand, and with the other push on the bench itself. If you have a stick or something, you can use it as well if you're too short, and then the bench will go down. This could be a problem with the cable or with the release. It's not normal. So once you do this, you just have to pull the seat belts on the side like this, so you will be able to put large items over there. The middle seat belt, you can pull it on the side as well. Now, if you want to get even more space, you can remove the headrest, and to do so it's very easy. You just have to push the side button here and pull up the headrest itself to release it completely. Make sure you don't lose it. This way you'll have a much larger space right in front of the folded seats if you want to put a box or something like that.